Down a Proximity app is our answer to keeping people safe and separated. Since COVID-19's come in, it's a requirement from the government and from our Zero Harm team to make sure that we know how far apart our employees are and managing their safety by keeping their proximity so that we can break the chain of spread of COVID-19. It also is going to assist in contact tracing. So we have at the moment a very manual process in terms of contact tracing, and this will improve our ability to speed up the contact tracing so that if we have someone who registers positive for COVID-19, we can quickly trace back through the Android users who are running this app so that we can contact trace through them, and it will take the load off the manual contact tracing that we will have to do for other users. So how the app works is once you've installed it on your phone, you have to register and verify your email address. But once it's installed on the phone, the application emits a Bluetooth signal, and other users with the application also are emitting a Bluetooth signal. If the Bluetooth signal on your phone comes within another user on their phone, a pairing is made, and that pairing information is sent to both users' phone as a notification of proximity, and it's also sent to a central server where the information is stored. If you stay within proximity of someone for up to 10 seconds, that piece of information is recorded. If you stay within contact of the same person for over a minute, then a breach alert has been created. And a breach alert effectively says you've stayed within proximity of someone for too long, please move apart. And that breach information is also sent to the server. It's not technical, it's not hugely complicated. It has one page and one button on it. On that button, you can either start the contact tracing app or stop the contact tracing app. And you can also see what breaches and proximity notifications you have. So this proximity app really captures two parts of the 20 for 2020. It's all about thought leadership. There is a very clear message that we're sending. We're the first company in the country to have a contact tracing and proximity app. This really is thinking big so that we can effectively keep our people safe. Safety is our number one concern, and this application, whilst it won't solve our safety problems in relation to COVID-19, it will certainly help us in a significant way to making sure that we can keep as many of our people safe as we possibly can.
I think it's a good tool to use. It enables us to do our work without worrying about social distancing. And with this app, it sends a vibration to our phones. It tells us that we're coming in breach.
So before the app, there's always this part of my mind that keeps on thinking about keeping social distancing. But since the app came along, I've been more focused with what I have to do and less about breaching the social distancing rule, because I've got a tool that will remind me if that does happen.